Alright, so hello and welcome to our car maintenance tracker. So this will be I believe our final upload because this is for the final project. But it is done and it works. And so go straight into the demonstration. And here we go. So here's our car maintenance tracker. We have hello and welcome to my car maintenance tracker. Please input your name and the VIN number of the vehicle you would like to track the maintenance for. The program will then pull your make, model, and year, and many other things and display it for you, along with being able to record any maintenance that you may have or that you have previously input. And then I'm going to put in camera name. That's not the VIN number we want to start off with. Alright, so as you can see here, we have VIN. This is the VIN number for the Mazda I'm currently driving. All of this. Our vehicle descriptor, our trim, our vehicle type, our multi-purpose passenger vehicle, which is MPV, engine configuration found. I didn't find any. Engine model L5X Federal/Canada, and this is a previous service that I have entered here that you can see here. Alrighty, so let's input a service. So today's date is 2024 15, or actually sorry, 12/15, and let's put in an oil change. Okay. Let's put that over there. Not that one, it's that one. Okay, that'll be fixed. And then, yeah, so even if we reload the program and put in our name again and lowercase it, and then as long as the VIN number and the name is spelled the same, it will pull it right back up. And the reason that this doesn't close is because once you close this, you can change. So say you had another vehicle, you would be able to add a second vehicle and track a second vehicle's, maintenance. So let's go into a quick code breakdown. Let's see, we have so on the first page we have our buttons and our inputs for owner and our VIN and the button for add car, and then also the info text, which is where I have the instructions and introduction. This is our function that pulls or that displays our information on the screen. So all of our car info is pulled from the National Highway it's a .gov website. The NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. They have an API that allows you to pull. I think it's the VIN decoder. No. Oh, no, what did I get there? here. Here we go. This is how I got all this information. I have all there. And you basically just modify this to be, or to work with your inputs by making it an F string input or URL. And then request is request.get URL is a response. Type is equal to response.json. So whatever the JSON response is from the response. It pulls all of this information. It actually pulls a lot more, but this is the only information that I'm wanting to know right now because I worked with a different one from them and it gave me a bunch of other information. And that'll return back as null. So and it returned back as null on both vehicles. So I don't know if it's just that I'm not allowed to have that because I didn't see the developers portal over here, which gives you access to a lot more. So that's where I think a lot of that information is locked. Here's our dictionary that holds our car once it's created. Our maintenance or add maintenance that adds maintenance to our car or to our dictionary or to the list inside of the dictionary that is the maintenance. Again, this is our display function. This is also what is our second page. Add car UI. This is what this actually does a lot. So it will, if the program detects that there is if the program detects that the VIN number and the owner input are equal to a reference in the database, then it will update and display, or it will display the information that it already has, and you will update the information that already exists. However, if the name does not match the VIN, or the pre-existing entry, it will erase everything and add in a new owner and basically start the new owner from scratch. And that's pretty much it. And then it clears the entries every time. So that's it. That's what gets us our 2 pages and everything maintaining. And it works really well, I think. Anyways, it's been a pleasure.